Get into the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. The Jeep Grand Cherokee, the stylish all-terrain SUV that blends comfort, high performance, and rugged capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, power liftgate, satellite radio, power passenger seat, active suspension, cooled front seat, heated mirrors, heated rear seat. Rugged versatility meets high-tech luxury in the Grand Cherokee. Get behind the wheel today.